Greetings, welcome to the Musical Heatwave. This week, a truly exciting show that features a very energetic and dynamic band whose album is endorsed by none other than music maestro Ernest Wrangling. To give him his proper title, Ernest Wrangling, O.D.
Jubilee, cockatoo of the Lord. Jubilee, musical heatwave is on.
The band is led by Ace, UK-based musician, producer, arranger, singer, songwriter. He's a man who is one of the nicest human beings you're ever likely to come across. The enigmatic Bigga Morrisson. The band, Skatroniks Jamaica.
We are Skatroniks Jamaica, and we've come here to Skalsa dance your soul. Forward ever!
Tell me about Skatroniks Jamaica. What was the idea behind it, and how did it come about?
Well, Alan Weeks, our guitarist, called me one day and says, Bigga, I want to start a band called Skatroniks. But he said it's only going to work if you're in it. So I goes, okay. So I had a meeting, and then with Alan, Kenry Crow, Alan Weeks, and Tony Utah, the Groko, the percussionist, had a meeting, and then he got the other musicians, which is Brian Edwards, Trevor Edwards, and Jay Phelps. Brian Edwards, saxophone, Trevor, his brother, on trombone, and Jay Phelps on trumpet.
A lot of people might ask about the music that you're doing now, the ska, as opposed to raw reggae or dancehall or whatever. What is the main reason behind doing ska?
Well, we all used to play in a band called Jazz Jamaica, where we played ska and other things, and even before that, I mean, like I used to play with Rico, with his ensemble. So ska is a part of the music that our heritage that we grew up on from childhood days. So, I mean, before that ska was a big part of it in the 60s. So we've been playing ska and loved playing ska. So it's something that we see as a great music art form that will always live. And we're here to tell the tale, you know, because Skatalites, when they made this music, they were young people. So if you listen to the music, it is energetic. And young people love this music. People of all ages love this. They can't stop dancing, you know.
Now, Skatroniks Jamaica, original songs, you know, what's the idea behind doing original songs as opposed to doing the traditional ska songs as one would expect from a ska band?
Well, as far as originality, you know, we all play music with, all the musicians in this band play with other artists, other bands, and we have the ability to create music. And to me, music can only go forward if you create, as opposed to recreate. You know, it's good to make your own music, because if the people that made the original music didn't make that, we wouldn't have anything to try to copy. So we have to leave a legacy for someone else to listen to and say, oh yeah, because it could also inspire them to write something for themselves. So to create is the art, because anyone can copy. Well, not anyone, but most people, yeah, because that's how you learn. But the main aim is to try to create and make music, new music that's fresh.
Bigga Morrisson, the band, Skatroniks Jamaica. It's the musical heatwave, the soundtrack to your life. So without further ado, let me just introduce you to the band. And of course, starting with the elder statesman of the band is Groko. Tony Uta is his proper name, but most people call him Groko. And what a gentleman he is. He's over 70 years old and still going strong, still have a very great sense of humor, but without a doubt, one of the finest percussionists you're ever going to meet.